This is where I wanted to stop and get you guys some content here. I wanted to park up on this hill a little bit, but it looks like a beekeeper. I don't know if this is private land here in this particular spot. There are some private land areas, but this beekeeper has its bees kept right here, which is pretty cool. Looks like it says Mickey B on the boxes. Those murder hornets in the news lately, they're the ones that attack these honeybees. And so I'm really hoping that we don't get them down in here in California. From the sounds of it, they've landed in Washington State. So I'm hoping we really don't get them down here, but thought that's pretty cool. A ton of bees, I can see them. My windows are rolled up. No thank you, I don't want to get stung. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Hot Wheels Dad. I hope you all are out there having a wonderful Mother's Day. I hope you're out enjoying time with family, getting together, spending time with your kids, just enjoying this day. It is a beautiful day out here. So nice and pretty up in the hills. I want to start this video off with my daily dose of gratitude. I want to thank God for this beautiful sunshiny day. The weather we have out in sunny California is amazing. It is always so pretty out here, always so beautiful. I love living where I live. So that is starting this video out with some gratitude. Gratitude to you guys. Thank you for always tuning into my channel. I am almost at 500 subscribers. Can you guys believe that? 500. When I started the channel a year ago, I would have never thought I would be at 500. Here we are. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Today I wanted to get a video that I've been wanting to do for some time. When I post to my social media, my Instagram page, that's linked down below in the description. When I post on F150 Nation and Facebook, you guys are asking the questions, what have you done to your truck? What size wheels and tires are on your truck? What lift do you have on your truck? What mods have you done to your truck? I decided today I wanted to get it all down in one place. What exactly is done to the F150? So the first thing I want to start with, and it's one of the things that I get asked the most, is what size tires are on the truck. The exact size tires that are on here are 35 by 12.5 R20 Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. Now, 35-inch tire does fit underneath this truck with a 6-inch lift. I've seen guys run 35s with just a 2.5 level. So depending on, you know, what look you're going for, I wanted to go for a little bit of a higher look compared to my last truck. So I did lift it with this, put the 6-inch lift on it. It does fit those 35-inch tires in there nicely. And then my wheels are 20 by 10 Fuel Sledge in the matte black. You can get them in a few different finishes, but I opted for the matte black, and it does have a polished lip here, and I set it off with the red caps. Negative 18mm offset to give it that little pushed in look, and it gives it that little, and it pops out just enough, shows enough tire just outside to give it that aggressive off-road look. The next thing that I get asked about mostly is the lift. What lift do I have on the truck? So if I get under here, I have the Pro Comp 6-inch lift for the F150. It has the drop-down bracket in the front, the blocks in the back. I didn't opt for the coilover system. That's actually the next mod that I want to go for. So it does use the stock Ford, and it puts a little block in there. Like I said, the next thing I want to do to this suspension is add the Pro Comp coilovers in there. Currently, it does ride pretty nicely. I do have a video of my first reaction after putting on the lift on it. I'll also link that in the description below so you guys can check that out. The next things that I have done is the little subtle looks here. So I had these tow hooks painted red to set off, you know, to match with my red and black themed truck. And I actually did the plasti dipping myself on my Ford badges here. Matte black finish on the front, same thing on the back. And then to go with the looks category here as well, I switched these out. I do have a video of me switching these out on my channel. You can check that out. It was quite a job. I think it really sets it off really nicely. It has the red, you know, the red around the outside, red XLT with the black badging. It looks really good on a white truck. Coming around the back, you can see plastic dip that black here, and I have the tow hitch I also did a video about as well. The next thing that I have done, that I had done from stock, is I had the spray in Bedliner. The dealership did it for me. I am really happy I did it. It gives it a nice look. So it's not the painted white that you normally get, the painted white bed. It's nice and durable. You can put stuff back here. I just recently picked up a large crate of stuff of, you know, you guys watched my last Amazon video, that huge crate, you know, comes back here, doesn't scratch up the bed. Super, super durable, like I said. You still retain your, you know, your factory strap tie downs here. So I'm really, really happy, and I'm glad I did the spray in. This was $450. And like I said, I had it done at the dealer before actually taking delivery of the truck. Next thing I want to talk about is I put a smaller antenna on the truck. I do park the truck in the garage, or when I do park it in the garage, and even when it was at stock height, I was having issues with pulling my truck into the garage. The tall stock antenna would always hit the top. I went with a shorter antenna, which made it much, much easier. And also I feel like it gives it a little bit of a sleeker look on the truck. It gives a little bit of a more sporty look compared to that tall antenna that comes stock on the truck. The next thing that I have done, and I'm super glad that I did do these, also I have another video posted on these, is the Husky Liners. So for days like today, off-roading in the dirt, these are super durable. You can pull them out and clean them. It keeps everything, all the dirt, and if you drop any liquid, it keeps everything down inside there. I have it for the front, and having a baby, it's definitely a necessity. As you can see, they are pretty dirty currently. All of that just stays up on the mat, nothing gets underneath. Dirt, snow, ice, whatever. Super durable. The next thing is the sound. I have done lots of videos of the sound of the truck. It is the Corsa Extreme. So what it is, it's the Resonator Delete, the Corsa muffler, and the Corsa exhaust tips here. So basically, if you come under the truck here, it deleted that resonator there. And here is the Corsa muffler, and then out back to the exhaust tips. Now, I actually did the Resonator Delete in my garage. You can check that video out as well. I'll link it down in the description so you can see that. And then I had a muffler shop throw on the muffler and the tips back here. So really, really happy with it. Like I said, there is a ton of videos on this exhaust on my channel. So all the products that actually have a link to them, I'll link them in the description below as well. So the Corsa exhaust, the badges, things like that, the tow hitch, it all has a link down in the description so you can purchase it yourself, the wheels and the tires, if you want to go for the same look that I'm going for, or the same setup on your truck. The last thing that I want to talk about is, and it's the first thing that I actually had done to the truck, is my window tint. As you can see, they're very, very dark. I do 5% in the front, 15% in the back to give it that matching look. Front and back, super dark, limo tint. You can't see in. The white on the black looks really, really good, sets everything else off. I actually had my windshield done, but I had a huge crack in my windshield, so that needed to be replaced, and I haven't had a chance to get back in. Definitely sets off the truck, makes it look sleek. Love it. If you guys ever have any questions about the models that I've done, where I had them done at, if I did them myself, how I did it, go ahead and ask them down in the comments down below. I really love hearing your feedback. I love hearing from you guys. I love responding to you guys. I respond to all of the comments. That is it, you guys, for the mods on the F-150. I really appreciate you guys tuning in to another episode of my channel. If you like this content, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. I believe it is on this side here, maybe this side over here. Hit the button, hit the subscribe button. And thank you so much for tuning in. And always remember, you are the maker of your own story. So don't forget to make it legendary. Peace.